Okay, push it a little bit more. And yes, perfect. Thanks, honey. Oh, a new sofa. Lovely. Hi, sister. What do you think of my new tropical style sofa? Nice. Oh, by the way, the tutorial of the sofa making is so short. It's so easy, it's only a 5 minutes video. Now, I need your help to make the video a little bit longer. How? You need to go to the beach, bring the sofa and make the video right there. Are you coming? Me? Of course not. I have schedule with the kids. You know what, sister? You're a less fun person after being a parent. Well, what can I say? Fact. I can't go somewhere with no planning. But you can, right? Yes. Is this chit-chat one of your plan to make the video longer? Yes. Okay, have fun in the beach then. Bye. Alright, I'll go packing. Don't forget the sofa. Sure. Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my show. It's almost summer, it's time to make some tropical vibe furniture, rattan sofa. And I'm telling you, it's the easiest sofa I've ever made. So I'm using 3mm cardboard. And these are the patterns. No, I don't make the printable one, you can make it yourself. Let's stick them together using hot glue. Watch it carefully on which part you need to put the glue on. And stick it like this. I don't really need to show you all the gluing process. And here it is. Oh, about this part we need to. Let's continue. And later, you need to put the glue right here and put it here. It's gotta be perfectly fit. And this part right here. And glue them together using whatever glue you want, like hot glue or white glue, until you get this shape. Okay, let's continue to the next part. These are the patterns. Let's stick them together. Just like before, watch it carefully on which part you need to put the glue on. Here it is. Next, we're going to put some texture on it. You need to find any rattan texture you like and print it. Using Photoshop, I fix and multiply the pattern into a bigger one. Just do the best you can. And print it on a glossy thick paper. Now, let's do it. First, you need to remeasure each surface to get the perfectly fit size. Then, you can cut the rattan texture like this. And then, let's stick them together using white glue and a brush. You need to spread the glue evenly like this. And I'm telling you, forget perfection. Even though I measure it carefully, it's so hard to be perfect. Especially at the corners like these. Well, it's fine. And you don't need to put any texture on the seat part because it's gotta be covered anyway. here it is. As you can see, there's so many flaws. Let me zoom it. This one and this one. So I just try to fill any gap between papers with white glue. Wait for it to dry and it's gonna be okay. Let's continue to the seat pad. Once again, you need to remeasure to find the perfectly fit size. Make these pieces of cardboard and sponge both in the same size like this, and use any kind of fabric. I'm using simple white cotton. For the head part, this is the measurement. And using another sponge and fabric, do exactly the same as before. So we're going to put it with a little angle like this instead of this. And that's why we need a little different shape for this part. Once again, remeasure it. And this is my measurement, but yours might be different. We need to create a little angle, so cut it like this. And here it is. We're almost done. So I don't glue all the pads. Just put it like that, so you can change it easily if you'd like to change the fabric. And if you hate to see the texture of the cardboard, you can cover it like this. You don't need to cover the whole thing because it's not gonna be seen anyway. Next, the legs. I'm using balsa dowel like this. Mark it like this using a pencil and glue it like this from inside. The sofa is done, but of course, it will need the pair, the coffee table. Hold on, we're not done yet. Last but not least, the cushions. I'm using silicone fiber cushion filler and some leftover fabric from my old clothes. Yes, I never waste my old clothes, especially denims. Basically, you can choose any fabric you like, just make sure it's easy to work with. Put the glue right here, close it, and it's becoming like these. And make two of them to create a sectional sofa. Definitely, it's perfect for your boho chic interior design. You can explore the shape and the size to create your own design. watching. I hope you like the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment down below, and see you in my other video. Bye!